Our Honorable Mayor must take a minute. Our main event for tomorrow's professional class. We have Emma Bakusa Pacquiao from Davao City will collide versus Region Arquita Pacquiao from Misamis Occidental. Pacquiao in the weight scale and his official weight is for the 135 lightweight. 134 official weight. Eman Bakusa Pacquiao 134 pounds. Okay. Pasok na pasok. He is the opponent. Arquita. Region Arquita from Misamis Occidental. Official weight. 135 weight limit, lightweight division. Region Arquita from Misamis Occidental. 131 pounds. Region Okay, this is our main event for tomorrow's